how to get points on the McDonald's app. So here's how it works. You want to load up the McDonald's app, and in the top right corner you will see your total amount of points. Now if you want to get points, you have to click on the QR code here in the middle, and you want to scan this on the kiosks at McDonald's. So before you order anything, you will scan this QR code, or your QR code. You will need to create an account, obviously. And afterwards, after you have scanned your account or QR code, everything you order will add points to your total. So after you have scanned your QR code, then after you pay, you will receive points added, or you will get points added to your McDonald's account. And once you get the points, it should take a few minutes, maybe like up to 5 minutes. Here in the top right, once you click on your points, you will see when you have earned them. For example, the last time that I got McDonald's was like a week ago. I've been getting too much McDonald's. Alright, so that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.